YouTube, what is up, man? It's your boy Ron Most Wanted, back at you with another video. Now, as you can see, we got the G, but we also have the Q. And today we're going to be doing a little POV drive of the Q. So we got Janice Monet right here. I'm going to be letting her drive the G, and I'm going to drive the Q. I don't know if y'all can hear it in my voice, but my allergies are going crazy right now. But yeah, first POV drive in the Q, man. A lot more Q content coming up. But yeah, let's stop chatting and just hop on inside. She better watch the bumps. All right, now here we are in the Q. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do this video ghetto style, and by ghetto style I mean holding the camera in my hand, because for some reason I cannot find my head strap. And unfortunately, we gotta go with the sparkly steering wheel. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin this little POV. Let's go. Oh, one thing I do want to say though, she did just recently get new turbos. So yeah, you know what that means. We're gonna throw this in sport mode. One thing about the Q, the interior is so cozy. It's a lot more comfortable than the G. I'm actually gonna get back to you guys once we start rolling, because traffic is crazy right now. It's not crazy, but like, I just wanna get off these streets. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but my muffler delete sounds great from another perspective. For those of y'all wondering, she has 20% tint in the front, 5 in the rear, 35 on the windshield, just in case. I don't know. You might have been wondering, or maybe you didn't care. I told you anyway. Hope the audio is good. Car is silent, so you know, I might not really hear much. I hate these steering wheels. These are actually not comfortable. These little rhinestones. I don't see why girls be doing that. I mean, I guess it look cute, but like, you know. I like how my G look from the back. What the hell? I like how my G look from the back. But it needs something to make it pop, feel me? My GTR tails, one thing I notice is when I brake, it actually like looks like the regular lights. So I kind of want to like do whatever it is that people with GTR tails get done, so that when you brake, it does the GTR tail look instead of the regular G look. Oh man, what we got there? A Q-Mac. Out here making us Infinitis look bad, man. Bruh, I was trying to get some rollers and she gonna come over into my lane, bro. In front of a cop. Nice, Janice. Put it down. Police. There you go, right there. Ooh. I love C7s. One thing about the Q, man, when them turbos kick in, you gone. All right. I'm gonna start burning my gas now. You know, this for content. I know y'all probably hear me talk about gas a lot and be like, dang, why you always complaining? I mean, I always talk about it, but at the end of the day, I'ma still fill my tank up. You feel me? Like, it's not that big of a deal. I just talk about it a lot, if that makes sense. The tank gonna get filled, regardless. I can't believe I went this whole video and did not mention it. Yo, we at 1,000 subscribers. Matter of fact, we at 1,034. Now, my voice sound nasty. But we at 1,034 subscribers, y'all. I'm so thankful and happy. And I appreciate you guys so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing. I'm glad that I was able to help some of you guys through my videos, that you guys are enjoying it. I'm going to keep on putting content out. The goal is to have the entire YouTube platform subscribe to my channel. We're not aiming for 1 mil, 2 mil. The sky is the limit. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I don't know why I just pointed the camera at them, but we are at 1,034 subscribers currently. And I can't stress enough how much I love you guys and appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Even the haters, because at the end of the day, even if you want to talk trash in the comments of my video, you still gave me a view. You still took time out your day to click on my video because something out the thumbnail stood out to you, or the title. And for that, I do appreciate you. And yeah, man, I thank God for all of y'all, man. Like I said, we're going to keep on putting out content. And by the way, if you guys was wondering where if you guys was wondering, I forgot about that bump. If you guys were wondering where I have been for the past, I think 10 days since I uploaded, I actually drove down to South Carolina in a rental. I had some family events going on, so I was OT pretty much. Who you think you are, Janice? Speeding in my car like that. And cutting somebody off. I hope she pay attention to these bumps. Did y'all hear that? I hope y'all heard that. My muffler delete sound good. First POV in the Q. What do you guys think? You guys want more POV in the Q50, more Q50 content? Well, you're getting it regardless, whether you like it or not. I can tell you that right now. Such a beautiful day in the city. I believe it's 80 degrees right now. And we're gonna go ahead and toss this thing back into standard. Or should we go eco? We just out running some errands right now. One thing about eco mode, you really feel a difference in the throttle response. The G needs eco mode for real. Like, you really got to put the pressure down in order to get anywhere. Whereas when you're in normal mode or sport mode, the turbos just instantly kick in. You still feel it though. Well guys, that's all I got for you today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed that. We got a lot more POV content on the way, man. And like I said, love y'all. Thank you for 1K. Road to 10K. Peace out. Nah, what's up with you?
It's my car.